Good morning, student. In last revision lecture, we already done tick the correct one. But in this lecture, in this revision lecture of the metals and non-metals chapter, we have to do, yes, we already done the tick the correct one option. Now we have to do the filling the blanks, B part, on the page number 63. Yes, first one. Yes, blue vitriol is dash. Blue vitriol is dash. Yes, blue vitriol is a copper sulfate. Blue vitriol is a copper sulfate with 5 water of crystallization. Yes, blue vitriol is a copper sulfate with the 5 water of crystallization. Yes, 5 water of crystallization. 5 water of crystallization. Yes, their formula CuSO4 5H2O. Their blue color is why it is called blue. Their blue color is because of the 5H2O. If you heat the copper sulfate blue vitriol, they lose the water. Then their color, that it become colorless. But when you add the water, then again their color is a blue. Now come on the second one. Yes, chemical formula of limestone. Calcium carbonate. Yes, calcium carbonate. CaCO3. Ca is a calcium, C is a carbon, O is oxygen. Yes, third one we have to see. Yes, glucose is example of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is a sugar, simple sugar you can say that. But the sucrose and this sucrose is there, starch is there, that is a complex sugar. We are unable to digest. Simple sugar. Carbohydrate gives us an instant energy. Yes, fourth one we have to see. Proteose mean, already told to you, protein, the Greek word name is there. Proteose mean primary. Yes, primary. I'm again repeat, yes, prime and primary importance is there. Yes, see there. Yes, primary or prime importance. Yes, prime importance. Primary and prime importance. Yes, now see on the next one. Yes, fifth one. Now we have to see the fifth one. March gas is, yes, methane. You already know methane, found in marshy area. CH4. C is a carbon, H is a hydrogen. How many hydrogen is there? 4. Now come on the sixth one. Yes, dash is a sixth one not in your syllabus, student. Seventh one also not in your syllabus. Eighth one also not in your syllabus. Now come on the ninth one. Yes, ninth one. Zinc oxide as a pigment give the dash color. Zinc oxide, white in color. White in color, student. 10th one. Yes, 10th one. 10th one is a medicine used to relieve the pain is called. That is the analgesics. Yes, analgesics. Medicine used to relieve from the pain. Analgesics. Yes, analgesics. Sixth one, one time I repeat, dash fertilizer help in synthesis of the protein in plants. Urea. It is a urea. Seventh one, glass is also called the super cooled liquid. Pyrex glass is also known as a borosilicate glass. 6th, 7th, 8th is not in your syllabus, student. Yes. Now next we have to see the right true and false. Now we have to do true and false. I hope you understand this. Yes, next one. C part. True or false? True or false? Yes, first one. Antacids are the medicine given to treat acidity in the stomach. Yes, acidity in the stomach. Answer is a true. First one is a true. Second one. Antiseptic is given to bring down the fever. No. Antiseptic we have to apply on the wound only to kill the microorganisms. Growth of the stop the growth of the microorganism. To underline the antiseptics. Underline the antiseptics. You have to write antipyretics. Antipyretics. That will help in the low down the fever. Yes, to bring down the fever. Third one. Silicons are compound made from sulfur. No, wrong, false. Here also answer is false. This one also false. Yes, underline sulfur. Answer is a silicon. Silicon is made from the silicon. Yes, fourth one. Bakelite is used to make the electric switchboards. True. Yes, true. True. Yes, fifth one is not in your syllabus and the match the following also in not your syllabus. D part. Now come on the E part. Yes, E part. Give one word for the following. Medicine used to relieve the pain. Analgesics. Yes. Analgesics. E part. First part is there. Answer. Second part. Yeah, these have to see the second part. Prevents growth of the microorganism causing the diseases. Antibiotics. Antibiotics. Yes, which prevent the growth of microorganism causing diseases internally. If outside we have to apply antiseptics only. Yes, medicine used to bring down the temperature. Yes, already told to yes student. Antipyretics. Antipyretics. Yes, here. Antipyretics. Now come on the fourth one. Antipyretics. Yes. Next one is the medicine used to treat the acidity. Antacids. This one the back exercise student up to E part we already done the tick the correct one, filling the blanks, true and false and one words. In next lecture we have to do the another revision of the metal and non-metal. Thank you.